Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So hope you all are doing good, and some people are waiting for the SBI clerk mains result and some are waiting for the Ibps RRB notification. So even I am also waiting. So if we compare this with the previous trend, I think 6th or 7th of June, so the notification will be out. I think within 3 to 4 days. Okay, so those who did well in the SBI clerk mains, so all the best for your result. And those who did well, like me, so let's start again. So restart our preparation. It's really hard to restart the things again, but we have to do it. So that's why I thought of attempting the mock test ready so that I can track my progress. So I was practicing very hard in the quant section, but I don't know, in the exam hall I only attempt less number of questions, so that's why I changed my approach a bit this time. And as you can see, this was the prelims live test. So as you can see, I attempted only 36 questions out of 80, and in that reasoning I attempted 23 questions and I got 19.25 marks. So and the percentage is only 33%, and in the quant section I attempted only 13 questions out of 40, and my marks is, you can see, it is 13.0, and my overall marks is 32.25 out of 80. So and my percentage is also 26.4. So as you can see, so it is very less, but that's okay. So as I already told you that I want to track my progress, so this is the live test which I attempted, and I will keep on checking my progress. I think this mock test was on before 4th, I think, I mean 2nd or 3rd it was there. So and therefore I attempted one more mock test, so that is today. So as you can see, I attempted 47 questions out of 80, and in that 45 were right. And if I talk about in individual section, I attempted 30 questions in reasoning section, and the percentage is 74.2, which is okay. So actually I could have done 5 more questions, but that's okay. Actually I solved that question, I was not able to mark that one. And in the quant section I attempted 17 questions out of 40, and you can see the percentage is 70.6. And here I attempted 47 questions and my marks is 44.50 out of 80. So if I compare with this with the what is that live test, so it's okay, but I am seeing my improvement. So 74.7, so above 70%, which is not that bad. So, and as I said, I'm changing my approach in the quant section, so that let me check how much I improve by doing this approach. And I also attempted the mains level questions. As you can see, this was the first mains mock test which I attempted in this month, RRB PO. So as you can see, so yeah, I attempted 69 questions out of 200, and in that 59 were right. So I made 10 questions wrong, and my marks is 51.31. And as you can see, the percentage in logical reasoning, I attempted 16 questions and I scored 15.31. And in computer I attempted 21 questions and my marks is 9.25. And in general awareness section, since I was not prepared, so I just attempted only one question. Then section I attempted 27 questions and my scored 22. Not bad, I mean according to my attempts, not bad. Then in a quant section I attempted only 4 questions and I got 5 marks. Okay, so overall my percentage is 87.3. Okay, but the thing is only 11,000 people attempted, so if the more people would have attempted this test, so it was easy for me to track my progress a bit. Okay, so that's it. So please do share your marks, scores, how much you scored and what's your percentage, and do let me know whenever the live mock tests are available in different platforms. And also, I don't know why the SPI is not releasing the mains result. I know I will not crack this exam. I mean, I know I will, though I know I attempted less number of questions and mine will not be in the final list. But still, somewhere I'm waiting for the result to check how much I scored. And so, as compared with the previous years, so SBI released the result on Tuesday or either Thursday or Friday. So, Tuesday already gone, and some were guessing that the result will come on 16th or 23rd of the May month, but it didn't came. As we already know, the SBI is a surprise Bank of India. So let's wait for the result. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos and updates like this, and follow Banking Spark.